Good morning, friends. It's Deanna here and Bo. And today I wanted to see how quickly I could sew up this top. And this is the Lindsey top, and I wanted to make it a baseball theme because my son is starting baseball and I wanted a baseball tee to wear to his games. So I went ahead and sewed this one up. I think it turned out so good. We're gonna sew it together. I'm gonna show you just how quick and easy it is to sew it up. First of all, I am using my projector to cast down the pattern pieces to be able to cut them out faster. Projector really is life-changing. I love how quick and easy it is to cut out my pattern. I don't have to use all that time for printing, cutting, taping, all that stuff. I jump right to my fabric and I'm able to cut it out and have it ready real quick. I'm using double brush poly for this make, and I got this fabric from Olga's Closet. I do have a video where I talk more about projectors, so if you're interested in that, make sure you check that video out and ask any questions if you have them. I love it so much.
It took me 15 minutes to download and cut out all that pattern, and I took my time too.
Alright, I started my timer over and got started to work. What I love about piecing this pattern together is that it's like a puzzle. You put all the pieces up, right sides up, and then you just fold them over onto each other and sew them together to create the actual pattern piece. Well, the actual piece that you have to sew. I'm using my serger to sew this up, but you can use any stretch stitch on your sewing machine. I just love my serger. Once I've put all the pieces together, I'm going to give them a good steam at the seams, and you can top stitch if you want to. I'm not top stitching, just a good steam will do. Then I'm going to grab my front and back, and I'm going to sew the shoulders right sides together and the sides right sides together. Then I'm going to grab my sleeve, fold it right sides together, and sew the outer seam of my sleeve, and do the same for my neckline. Once I've sewed these up, we're going to fit our sleeve into our bodice and sew them right sides together on the round. Make sure to match the back of the sleeve with the back of the bodice. I'm also going to go ahead and attach my neckband. Now, if you have questions on the neckband, you can go ahead and watch our video on how to make neckbands. Here, I forgot to sew my sleeve cuffs, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quickly. Just sew them right sides together. And then I'll be able to fold them right side out, wrong sides together, and attach them to my sleeve, the bottom of my sleeve. Okay, so for the neckband, I like to quarter it and match it to the quarters on my neck area. And again, we do have a video, it's called Band Band Bands, here on our YouTube channel that goes over it really nicely about how to attach these bands. And we do the same for the cuff. We just kind of match it and even it out, and then we'll sew it together, right sides together. For the bottom, I'm just going to be hemming.
We're at 33:30 on our watch, and all I've got left is to hem. Well, to hem and to sew up that last cuff, because I forgot that, but it's looking so good. So cute.
For hemming, I just fold over and clip, and I use my cover stitch, but you can use a stretch stitch on your sewing machine as well. Then I give it all a good steam to make it look nice and sharp.
All right, 36 minutes and 20 seconds, and we are finished with our top, and it turned out so cute. All right, I'm gonna go try it on and show you what it looks like, and we're done.
Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love this pattern. I think it's super cute. It was super quick to sew. It's perfect for just an everyday wear. I think I might make another one and add a hood to it because there is the option of the hood or the banded. I like banded too. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I hope you love it. We're gonna go get going now. Go grab your pattern, sew it up with us, and I'll see you next time. Bye!